Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really useful piece of hardware for anyone working with Ethernet cables in demanding environments. The Neutrik NE8MX EtherCon cable end housing, specifically the convenient 4-pack. This isn't a standard RJ45 plug itself, but rather a rugged carrier designed to upgrade your existing, often fragile, RJ45 connectors into a robust, professional EtherCon connection. The core idea here is protection and reliability. Standard RJ45 plugs are great for office use, but out in the field, think live sound stages, lighting rigs, industrial settings, or anywhere cables get stepped on or pulled. Those little plastic clips and the plug body itself are vulnerable. That's where the NE8MX comes in. It encases your standard RJ45 plug within a heavy-duty, die-cast metal shell with a durable nickel finish. This shell provides significant physical protection against impacts and crushing. Beyond just the shell, this housing features Neutrik's unique chuck-type strain relief. This design grips the cable securely, preventing damage at the point where the cable enters the connector and ensuring a reliable connection even when the cable is pulled or moved. The pack includes cable protection elements to accommodate different cable diameters, up to 8 millimeters. One of the great advantages of this system is its flexibility. It allows you to take pre-assembled RJ45 cables, maybe ones you already have or can buy off the shelf, and quickly upgrade them to the EtherCon standard by simply inserting the RJ45 plug into the carrier and assembling the housing around it. It accepts most common RJ45 plugs, making it a versatile solution. It's important to note a specific compatibility detail mentioned by the manufacturer. These NE8MX housings do not intermate with the Cat6 chassis connectors NE8FDY C6 and NE8FDY C6B. This is a key point for system designers to be aware of, ensuring you pair the correct cable ends with the correct panel connectors. Overall, the Neutrik NE8MX EtherCon housing provides an essential upgrade for anyone needing reliable Ethernet connections in harsh conditions. It transforms a standard, vulnerable RJ45 into a professional, lockable, and extremely durable connector, protecting your signal path and preventing costly failures due to damaged plugs. The 4-pack offers a convenient way to outfit multiple cables for your setup. It's a solid investment in connection reliability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.